If you ever wanted to share an X.com tweet or a Twitter post directly to WhatsApp, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few taps. It's a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little confusing at first. So in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to copy a tweet link and send it into any WhatsApp chat. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the tweet or post you want to share on X.com or Twitter. This can be any public tweet that you want to send to a friend, a group, or even save for yourself in WhatsApp. Once you have the tweet open, look just below the post for the share icon. This usually appears as an arrow or share symbol, and it's the button that lets you send or copy the tweet in different ways. Tap on that share icon, and a menu will appear with a few sharing options. From that list, choose Copy Link. This is the option you need because it copies the exact tweet URL to your clipboard. After you tap Copy Link, the tweet link is now saved and ready to paste anywhere you want. Next, open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the chat where you want to send a tweet, whether that's a personal chat, a group chat, or even a channel if you're sharing it there. Tap inside the message box, then press and hold if needed and choose Paste. If you're on a mobile device, you may also see the paste option pop up right away. Once the link appears in the chat, you can add a short message above it if you want, or just send the link as it is. Then simply tap send and the tweet will be shared to WhatsApp instantly. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to share an X.com or Twitter tweet to WhatsApp using the built-in share option and the copy link method. It's fast, easy, and works great whenever you want to pass along a post without taking screenshots or typing out the whole message. If this video was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.